Yes. Hare Krishna Mataji, is my screen visible?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, screen is visible.
So today is very today chapter is called Vibhuti Yoga. You can see the chapter name here, Vibhuti Yoga. So Krishna will be describing his vibhutis, okay, his opulences in this chapter, and that is when we know his vibhuti, that then we automatically surrender. So these uh, Bhakti Yoga chapters, when we know about Krishna, we automatically surrender to Krishna. Okay, so Krishna described his opulences, his vibhutis in the chapter about him, about the devotee, about the reciprocation of his reciprocation of him with his devotee. So these chapters are very important for the bhakti. Okay, so Krishna will be describing the vibhuti, and more importantly, Krishna will be having 4 Chatur Shloki Bhagavad Gita. Slokas, shloka, and that is called essence of Bhagavad Gita. You can say once. Okay, so essence of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna will be telling in this chapter. That is these 4 shlokas, very important sloka. Okay, so. So let's start the chapter with the Guru Pranam mantra. Om Agyanam Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manavabhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuttapadakamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Shagrajatam Shagana Raghunathan Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Shahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitam Cha Namaham Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatate Sitarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivashadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So the teachings is based on the teachings of His Divine Grace, Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So we pay our humble obeisances unto His feet, so that we can learn His teachings of Bhagavad Gita and we can apply those teachings in our life. So the summary, okay. So Bhakti, these chapters are called Bhakti Yoga. Okay. So Krishna gives essence of the essence in 9th chapter. Okay. Whatever the essence of the essence, fix your mind on Krishna. That is Man Mana Bhav Mad Bhakto Mam Yachi Mam Namaskuru Mameva Shashi Yuktabhyam Atma Namat Parayanaha. Okay. So Man Mana Bhav Mad Bhakto. Fix your mind on Krishna. So this was the 9th chapter. Conclusion of 9th chapter was one should become a pure devotee. Now Arjuna pondered how to fix mind on Krishna. Okay, now Arjuna is thinking how to fix mind on Krishna. Krishna will describe his opulences, the vibhutis, okay, about him in this chapter, by which a devotee can fix his mind and remember him always. Okay, so these chapters are essentially the vibhutis of Krishna. So the 3 things which we'll be seeing, that is C, S-E-E, the mnemonic is C, source of everything. So we'll see how Krishna is the source of everything. Then what is the essence of Bhagavad Gita? That is Chatur Shloki Bhagavad Gita, 8, 9, 10, 11. These 4 sloka, 8 to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. These are called Chatur Shloki Bhagavad Gita, important sloka. And then how we can see Krishna everywhere by understanding the opulences of Krishna. Okay. So let's understand. Krishna asked Arjuna to hear again. So this chapter also starts with hearing. Chapter 7, we have learned that it started with hearing process. Okay. The Bhakti Yoga when started, Krishna told Arjuna to hear. Now again in chapter number 10, Krishna asking Arjuna to hear. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Bhuya Eva Mahabaho Shrinu Me Paramam Vachaha. Shrinu. Okay. Shrinu. Okay. Yatate aham priya yatte aham priya manaya vakshayami hita kamaya. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, listen again, O mighty Arjuna, because you are my dear friend. For your benefit, I shall speak to you further, giving knowledge that is better than what I have already explained. Okay, so this again, Krishna asked Arjuna to hear from him. Okay, now one important thing, why Krishna is source of everything. This is the first part. Krishna is source of everything. Now Krishna is saying now. Okay, so many people have this confusion. Now Krishna is clearing this confusion now in 10.2 sloka. Okay, what Krishna is saying? Name viduh shura ganaha prabhavam na maharshayah aham adirhi devana maharshinam cha sarvashah. So many people consider the Devagan or Devatas or Devagan to be equal to Krishna. Okay, so now Krishna is clarifying the same concept. Name viduh suragana. Sura is the Devgana. Okay, Asura is Asuric quality people or the demoniac people. Okay, Sura is the Devagana. Okay, Name viduh. Viduh means knowing. Name viduh. Na means know. Me means Krishna. Me. Okay, Name viduh suragana. So the Suragana, the demigods do not know me. Prabhavam na maharshayah. Okay, and the great says Maharshi also do not know about Krishna. Okay, Aham adirhi devanam. Devanam is all the devatas which are there, all the demigods which are there. Okay, Aham adirhi devanam. Krishna is saying Aham means he. Adir means origin. So Aham adirhi devanam maharshi nam cha sarvasa. He is also the Adir, the origin of the Devanam or the Devata or Maharshinam or the great sages or Cha Sarvasa or all the other things. Okay, so Krishna is saying, nor the Devata know me, nor the Maharshigan know me. Okay, nor the Devatas know me, nor the Maharshigan know me. Why they are not able to know about Krishna? Because Krishna is saying, I am older than them. I am older than them and I am source of them. So if I am source of them, how can they know what is my origin, what is my opulences? These things they are not able to know. Okay, so this is the thing. No one knows about Krishna. So how we can understand about Krishna? How we can know about Krishna? The thing is hearing. Okay, so that is why Krishna is saying Arjuna to hear from him. Okay, because no one knows about Krishna. Nor the demigods know about Krishna, nor the Devatagan know about Krishna, nor the Maharshi, or great sages know about Krishna. So many people still have confusion. The Devata are equal to Krishna. They think like that Devata are equal to Krishna, but Krishna is clearly telling even the Devagana or the Maharshigana both do not know about Krishna because Krishna is origin of both of them. Okay. Acha sarvasa, even all the things Krishna is origin. Okay, sarvasaha. So neither the host of demigods nor the great sages know my origin or opulences. For in every respect, I am the source of the demigods and the sages. So Krishna is again telling that he is the source of demigod, he is the source of all the devatas, he is the source of sages, he is the source of all Maharshigana. Okay, so that's why they do not know about Krishna. So if they do not know about Krishna, how we can know about Krishna? By hearing from Krishna only. Okay, that is the process. That is the process we can know about Krishna. Okay, no one knows Krishna, the mysterious origin of everything. Krishna is the origin of everything, and no one knows about Krishna unless and until Krishna tells him about himself. Okay, so you can show here. See here. Okay, Brahmaji is here, Shivji is here. They means Ganesh ji is there, Hanuman is there, Saraswati Ma is there. So many demigods it is shown here, and Krishna is shown in the middle. Krishna is saying, "I am the source of everything." Okay. Demigods arrived to offer prayer to Krishna. When Krishna's Avirbhava was happening in earth. Okay, when Krishna was appearing in this world. Okay, when he was in the womb of Devaki Maya, all the demigods came to see. Okay, see the demigods. They came to see. Why they came to see? Because they are very happy. Why they are happy? They are happy because Krishna is not easy to see. Krishna is not easy to see about the leelas of Krishna is not easy to see. Okay, but when Krishna is appearing on earth, then it is very easy to access Krishna's pastime, to see Krishna's pastime, to see Krishna doing all the leela. So it is very pleasing for the demigods to see Krishna doing leela, because Krishna is not easily obtainable to all. Okay, that's why they are very happy that Krishna is appearing on earth. Okay, so demigods arrive to offer prayers to Krishna for the pleasure of the devotee. Krishna appears. Okay, what is the result of knowing you? What is the result of knowing about Krishna? He who knows me as the unborn, the beginningless, as the supreme Lord of all the world, he only, deluded among men, is free from all the sins. So Krishna is saying about him is he is unborn. He as the beginningless. Okay, as the supreme Lord of all the worlds. Okay, he is the supreme Lord of all the worlds. Okay. Result of knowing Krishna. Etam vibhutim yogam cha mamayo veti tattvata so avikalpena yogena yujjate natra sansayah. One who is factually convinced of this opulence and mystic or power of mind engages in the unalloyed devotional service. Of this there is no doubt. Okay, so if one knows actually that Krishna is the source of everything, we are all originated from Krishna. This Bharat Varsha is originated from Krishna. It is part and parcel of Krishna. This Asia is originated from Krishna. This whole world is originated from Krishna. Not this whole world. This whole earth is originated from Krishna. All the living entities are originating from Krishna. Not only the human being, all the other living beings are also originated from Krishna. Everything is actually originating from Krishna. Is not this earth, this whole 9 planetary system, the sun, everything is originating from Krishna. Not this only, whole Brahmand is originating from Krishna, everything is emanating from Krishna. After knowing this, what a person does, he automatically surrenders to Krishna. That is the thing. So he is convinced, the word is convinced, he has full faith. One who is factually convinced of this opulence and mystic power of mind engages in unalloyed devotional service. Okay, of this there is no doubt. One who is convinced, one who has faith that Krishna is the origin of everything. Krishna is the source of me. Krishna is the source of everyone. We are part and parcel of Krishna. What they will do? They will automatically surrender themselves to Krishna. Okay. Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo. Prabho means origin. Okay, he is the source. Aham Sarvasya. He is the source of everything. Okay. Now starting, this is the starting of Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita. I already told you this is 10.8 Chaturshloki. These are the 4 sloka which are very important, which are called Chaturshloki, essence of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so this is Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita, first sloka. Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo Matta Sarvam Pravartate iti Matva Bhajante Mam Buddha Bhava Shamanvitaha. Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo. Prabhavo means origin. Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo. He is the origin of everything. Matta sarvam pravartate. Everything is coming. Everything is emanating from Krishna. Okay. Iti matva bhajante mam. Iti matva means one who knows this and is engaged in the devotional service of Krishna. Buddha bhava samanvita. He is in perfect knowledge. He is the original wise person. So let's read the translation. I am the source of all the spiritual and the material. Everything, spiritual or material, everything is originating from Krishna. Sarvasya prabhavo. Okay, everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their heart. Krishna declares that I am source of everything. Okay, this is not that I am saying this. This is not that any person who any XYZ person is saying. It is the Krishna which is himself saying about him. Okay, it is not because no one knows about Krishna. Krishna says everyone is originating from me. So what is the origin of me? No one knows. Okay, so let me declare all the things about these things. Okay, so Krishna is saying everything is originating from me only. Okay. I am the source of everything. Second sloka. Macchetta madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So first Krishna is declaring in Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita that I am the source of everything. Now after the devotee knows this, what happens to the devotee? This is described in the second sloka, that is 10.9. Mat chitta mat gata prana. Mat chitta. Chitta is the thoughts. Chitta is the mind. Okay, the thoughts. Mat chitta. Mat means Krishna. Okay, me. Mat chitta mat gata prana. So his prana is surrendered to Krishna. His chitta, his thoughts is surrendered to Krishna. He's thinking about Krishna. His whole prana is surrendered to Krishna. Okay. Bodhayanta parasparam. So what is happening to those devotee? What they are doing? So Krishna is describing in second. First, Krishna tells that I am source of everything. Now, second, Krishna is telling one person, one devotee knows this. What happens to him? Mat chitta mat gata prana. Their prana is surrendered to Krishna. Their pure devotee chitta is surrendered to Krishna. Bodhayanta parasparam. Bodhayantas paramparam. They will be enlightening about themselves. Parasparam means about themselves. Among the devotee, they will be talking about Krishna. They will be enlightening each other about Krishna. Okay. Bodhayantas parasparam. Kathayantas mam nityam. Nityam is daily, ever, hamesha, always. Kathayantas mam nityam. They will be doing katha. They will be glorifying Krishna every time, every day, every minute, every second. They will be doing. Nityam means hamesha. Ticha ramanticha. Tushyanti means satisfied. There will be and there will be happiness in this process. Okay, so the thoughts of my pure devotee dwells in lives are fully devoted to my service. Mat prana, okay, mat gata prana, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss. Tushyanticha ramanticha. Okay, they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening each other and converging about me. So kathayantas and bodhayanta. So both they are doing. So what the devotees are doing. First, Krishna describing, I am source of everything. Now, second, a pure devotee who is knowing Krishna, what they will be doing? They will find great satisfaction and happiness about describing the glories of Krishna, describe the activities of Krishna, okay, conversing with each other about Krishna, enlightening each other about Krishna, okay. Their thought is always dwell in Krishna, their activities are always do with Krishna, their prana is now surrendered to Krishna. This is what happens to a pure devotee after knowing that Krishna is the source of everything, after factually knowing, okay, without any doubt, they will. Second sloka of Bhagavad Gita is there. Second sloka of Chatur Shloki Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Now the third sloka, that is 10.10. Tesham satata yuktanam bhajantam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mamupayanti te. So what? So now the devotee is not engaged in Krishna's service. Now how Krishna is reciprocating? Now Krishna is describing in this sloka, that is 10.10. Okay, let's read. You can remember these four sloka, very nice, very important sloka, and very nicely written. Okay, very nicely Krishna has described about the devotee, how Krishna reciprocates to the devotee. So let's understand the meaning. Okay. Tesham satata yuktanam. So they are satatam, always, yuktanam. So they are always engaged in the devotion of Krishna. Bhajantam priti purvakam. Priti is with love. Purvakam. Priti purvakam with love. Bhajantam. They are always engaged. They are always glorifying about Krishna with love. Okay. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. So Krishna is telling, I am giving them buddhi yogam. I am giving them intelligence. Okay. How Krishna is reciprocating? By giving the person intelligence. So what will happen with that intelligence? Dadami buddhi yogam tam. Yena mamupiyanti te. By using that buddhi, they can come to me. Okay, so that is how Krishna is reciprocating with the devotee who is engaged in Krishna's service, who has chitta is engaged in Krishna's service, whose prana is engaged in Krishna's service. They are doing enlightening each other. They are doing katha about Krishna within each other. They are finding great satisfaction and great happiness while doing those things. And now how Krishna is reciprocating? Krishna is giving them intelligence. Krishna is giving them buddhi yogam, and by using that buddhi yogam, by utilizing that buddhi yogam, they can come back to Krishna. This is what Krishna is saying. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, that is priti purvakam, I give the understanding, that is the buddhi yogam, by which they can come to me. Okay, so that is the thing how Krishna reciprocate. Very nice. Okay, when we surrender ourselves to Krishna, it was described in 10.9. Now 10.10, Krishna is describing what Krishna does to those devotees. He gives buddhi yogam so that the devotee can come back to Krishna. Okay. So this is the back to Godhead. Okay, what is the who can come back to Krishna? What Krishna was saying. So this is the GPS, mobile GPS. Okay, you can see if we are lost, we can come back to our home using the GPS. But this is the original GPS which can take back to our home, original home. Okay, this is the GPS which we can use to go back to our original home. What is our original home? To go back to Godhead, that is Krishna Loka. Okay. This home is temporary. This home is temporary like hotel, but this home is permanent. Okay. This home is Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam, which Krishna describes in 9th chapter. 9th chapter is a description that this world is like Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam. Okay. Last shloka of Chaturshloka, how Krishna reciprocates. Tesham evanukampartham aham ajnana jamtamaha nashayami atma bhavastho jnanadipena bhashvatah. So now what Krishna is doing? Tesham evanukampartham. Okay. So tesham means to those person, eva nukampartham. Anukampartham means as a special mercy. Anukampa. Okay, as a special mercy. Aham ajnana jam tamaha. Ajnana like jam. Okay, jam is the darkness. Okay, aham ajnana jam tamaha. Tama is the mode of tama. You go, there is darkness only. Ajnana jam tamaha nashyami. So he will nash it. He will destroy the ajnana jam tamaha. Okay, ajnana jam tamaha. He will destroy. How? Why he will destroy? Anukampartham, as a special mercy to those devotees, he will destroy their tama, he will destroy their ajnana. Atma bhavastho jnana deepena bhasvata. Jnana deepena bhasvata. So he will enlighten the jnana deepena. He will enlighten the jnana in the heart of the devotee, and in this way, their ajnana jam and tamaha, he will destroy. Okay, so what he is saying, to show them special mercy. Krishna gives special mercy to those devotees who were doing the things which is discussed in the 10.9. Okay. To show them special mercy, I dwelling in their hearts. Okay. Atma bhavastho, dwelling in their heart, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge. Jnana deepena, shining lamp of knowledge, the darkness born of ignorance. That is ajnana jam tamaha. Okay. So what Krishna does to those devotees? As a special mercy, he will enlighten the jnana deepena in the heart of the devotee. You can see jnana deepena is there in the heart of the devotee, and in this way, the darkness of the ignorance he'll destroy. Okay, so he acts as a torch of knowledge. Okay, so Guru is also acting as a torch of knowledge. Okay. So these are the four Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita. Very nice. You can remember all the four sloka. Very important. Okay. Now after listening to those sloka, what is happening to Arjuna? Okay. What is happening to Arjuna? Let's see. Okay. Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna now saying, Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum Ahustvam Rishi Sarve Devasir Naradatha Asito Devalo Vyasa Swayam Chaiva Brivishime. So Arjuna is saying that Krishna, you are the supreme personality of God. Param Brahma. Param Brahma means you are the supreme personality. Param Dhama, you are ultimate Dhama. You are ultimate abode. Pavitram, you are the purest. Paramam Bhavan, okay, absolute truth. Purusham Shashvatam Divyam, you are the eternal. You are the Divyam Purusha, transcendental Purusham. Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum, okay. So you are the Ajam means Ajanma, Adi Devam, you are the original person. Okay, Vibhum. Vibhum means what is the meaning of Vibhum? The greatest. Okay, the greatest. Vibhum means the greatest. So Krishna, Arjuna is now saying, you are the supreme personality of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. This is not that I am saying, this is not that Krishna is saying, this is who is saying? Arjuna is saying. Why he is saying? He is now giving reasons to Krishna. So now I think that all of the things which I've said, this the supreme, you are supreme truth, you are the purest, you are the ultimate abode, I believe in that. This is not that I believing that is enough. Even the great rishi like Narada Muni is saying that. Even the great rishi like Ashito Devalo, Vyasa are saying that. Vyasa has written, Veda Vyasa has written all the Vedas, so much knowledge, so many knowledge he has written, penned down all the knowledge in form of books. Okay. He, so much knowledgeable person is there. He also says that you are the supreme, you are the supreme purest person, you are the absolute truth. Okay, so this is not that I was thinking like that and this was true. Even the great Rishi Muni also says that. Even the rishis who are so much learned, they are saying about that. And now you are also saying the same thing to me. Okay, so now you are confirming all those things to me. Okay, so those things are absolute truth, what I believe. So these things, after saying this, all the great sages such as Narada, Asita, Devala, and Vyasa confirms the truth about you, sharing it to me. So this is what Arjuna is saying, that Arjuna also believe in those, that Krishna, you are the supreme person, you are the abode, you are the ultimate abode, you are the purest, you are the ajanma, you are the eternal, transcendental. Okay, so these things are there. This is not only Arjuna saying, even the great sages are saying, and not even the great sages, now Krishna is also confirming. Okay, so that is the thing. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, yes, I will tell you my splendorous manifestation, but only of those which are prominent, O Arjuna, for my opulences is limitless. So many opulences Krishna has. So now Krishna is saying few opulences about him so that Arjuna can see him everywhere. Okay, so let's read about the Krishna is saying to Arjuna, I am the super soul dwelling in everyone's heart. Okay, everyone's heart has one soul and one super soul. So I am the super soul. This is what Krishna is saying. Seated in the heart of every living entity. I am the beginning, I am the middle, and the end of all beings. So Krishna is saying, I am the beginning of all beings, I am the middle of all the beings, and I am the end of all the beings. Okay. Adityas, I am Vishnu. Okay. So of all the Adityas, Krishna is Vishnu. Of the lights, I am the radiant sun. Okay. Of all the light, Krishna is the radiant sun. Of the Maruts, I am the Marichi, controlling deity of the wind. So among the Maruts, he is the Marichi. Among the stars, I am the moon. Okay. Of the demigods, I am Indra, the king of heaven. So all the demigods, he is like Indra, king of the heaven. Of the Vedas, I am the Sama Veda. Of the senses, I am the mind. Okay, so Krishna is saying he is mind among the senses. Mind is so strong. Krishna is saying the mind represents me. In the living entity, I am the living force, that is consciousness. So every living entity is there. The consciousness is me only. The living force is me only. So everything, whatever you are seeing, the living thing in them is me only. That is, they represent, those things represent Krishna. Okay. Of the Rudra, I am the Lord Shiva. Of all the Rudra, he is Lord Shiva. Of the Yaksha and Rakshasa, I am the Lord of wealth, that is Kuver. Among the Raksha and Yaksha and Rakshasa, he is Kuver. Of the Vasus, I am the fire, Agnidev. Of mountains, I am Meru Parvat. Even it is larger than the Himalaya, you can see Himalaya is there, and Meru Parvat is there, even it is larger. Of the priest, O Arjuna, know me to be the chief, that is Brihaspati. So he represents Brihaspati in the chiefs. Okay. Of generals, I am Kartikeya. Okay. Of the bodies of water, I am ocean. Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. I am Bhrigu sage. Of vibration, I am the transcendental Om. Krishna again says he is the Om among the vibration. Okay. So many people think that some people are chanting Om Om. They do not consider other God or Krishna anything. Okay. They just meditate on Om. So Krishna is saying Om is me only, but the uh, uh, means a non-personal, impersonal feature, or means there is no personal form. It is impersonal form, like sound form. Okay, that is me only. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of holy name, that is Japa. Okay, so he represents Japa of the sacrifices. Of the immovable things, I am the Himalaya, the things which do not move. Krishna represents the Himalaya. Among the perfected being, I am the sage Kapila. Kapila Muni he is. Okay. Of the Gandharva, I am Chitra Ratha, Gandharva. Of the sages among the demigods, I am Narada. So he represents Narada among the sages of demigods. Of all tree, I am the banyan tree. Okay, so banyan tree, Krishna represents the banyan tree of all the trees. Of horses, know me to be Uchishrava. Uchishrava was produced during the churning of the ocean of nectar. Okay. Of lordly elephant, I am Eravat. So lordly elephant, he represents the Eravat among them. Among the men, I am monarch. Monarch is the meaning is the king. So among the men, he is king. Krishna represents the king among the men. Okay, king is the most important person among the men. So he represents the king. Of weapon, I am thunderbolt. Thunderbolt, very important weapon. So Krishna represents thunderbolt. Among cows, I am Survi cow. Okay, Survi cow, if you ask anything, Survi cow can produce. Okay, so of the cows, I am Survi. Of causes of procreation, I am Kandarpa, the love god, the god of love, that is Cupid. Okay. Of the serpents, I am Vasuki. Vasuki, he represents Vasuki snake. Among the dispenser of love, I am Yama, the lord of death. Of departed ancestor, I am Arema. Among the aquatics, I am the demigod Varuna. Among the aquatics, okay, the living entity which are in the aquatics, so he represents Varuna demigod. Of the many hooded Nagas, I am Ananta. He represents Ananta Shesh. Among subduers, I am the time subduer. Okay, among the subduers, he is the time. Among the Daitya demon, I am the devotee Prahlad. Okay, so among the Daitya demon, he represents the devotee Prahlad. Prahlad was born in a family of a Daitya, okay, the demons. Among the beast, I am the lion. Among the bird, I am the Garuda. Okay. Of flowing rivers, I am the Ganga. So whatever river is flowing, he represents Ganga. Of fishes, I am the shark. Of the wielder of weapon, I am Rama. Of purifiers, I am the wind. Among the logicians, I am the conclusive truth. So many logicians are there, and they are fighting among themselves about the logic. What is the truth? What is the truth? Whatever conclusive truth is there, that represents Krishna. Of all the sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self. So self-realization is the most important thing. Okay. So Krishna represents among all the knowledge, among all the sciences, the science represents the spiritual science of the self. Of all creation, I am the beginning, the end, and also the middle, O Arjuna. So Krishna is saying everything, whatever living entity is there, all creation, whatever thing is there, I am the beginning, I am the middle, I am the end, I am the origin, I am the maintainer, I am the subduer. Okay, so you can see Krishna describing about himself. Of creation, I am Brahma. Okay, so whatever creation is there, I am Brahma. Brahma has created this all the universe. Okay, so he represents Krishna of the creator. I am also inexhaustible time. Okay, time represents Krishna. Among the compound words, I am the dual compound. What is the meaning of dual compound? It's two words having the similar meaning. That is the dual compound. So Krishna represents dual compounds. Okay, like Rama Krishna, both have same meaning. Of letters, I am the letter A. That is A. So the starting letter of all. Okay, so it represents the Krishna. Among women, I am fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience. So these are the quality of women: is fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, patience. So these are representing Krishna. I am the generating principle of all that yet to be. So he is the origin. So the things which is going to come, he is the origin of all those things. And again, he is saying, I am all devouring death also. So whatever thing is coming, is going to come, is originating from Krishna, is going to be originated from Krishna. And whatever thing is going to be destroyed, Krishna is destroying all of them. So this is what Krishna is saying, I am all devouring death. Of the hymns in the Samaveda, I am the Bhatsama. Okay. Of poetry, I am Gayatri. Of month, I am the Maghashema. Okay. So this is the time which represents the Magh Masha. Magh Masha is the November, December time when all the crops are ripened and the farmers are very happy because the new crops they are cutting, they have all the grains in their house, they are very happy. So this season is represented by Krishna. So Krishna says, Magha Masena is represented by me. Okay. Of the season, I am the flower bearing spring season. Vasanta season is representing the Krishna. Okay. I am also the gambling of the cheat. Okay. Among the cheaters, he is the gambling. Of the splendid, I am the splendor. Okay. Whatever splendid is there, he is the splendor. I am the victory. He is the victory. Okay. I am the adventure. I am the strength of the strong. Okay. So I am the strength of the strong. So whatever things we see, like many quality Krishna discussed. Okay. So these things when we see around us, okay, we should remember Krishna. We can see Krishna everywhere by using these things. So Krishna is describing these things so that we can see those things around us and we can remember Krishna. Krishna is saying, I'm the strength of a strong person. If any strong person is there, if we are seeing that he's so strong, oh wow, so much strength is there. He can lift so many weight, so much weight. Okay, we can remember Krishna through that because Krishna has given that strength. Krishna is the strength in that person. Krishna represents the strength in that person. Okay, if any beautiful person is there, if you're seeing that beautiful person, we can remember Krishna because Krishna represents that beautifulness in that person. So if a person is so beautiful, can we imagine the person who has made this beautiful creation? Okay, like that we can remember Krishna. If any intelligent person is there, like Einstein is there, so much intelligence by you. So Krishna represents the intelligence of that person, the quality. Okay, so much intelligent person Krishna has met. Think how much intelligent Krishna himself would be. Okay, so that way we can remember whatever good qualities we see in person, we can use that quality to remember Krishna. Okay, that is the actual meaning. Among the great thinkers, I am the Usana, that is Shukracharya. Of the sages, I am Vyasadeva. Of the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Krishna represents Arjuna and the Pandavas. Of the descendant of Krishna, I am Vasudeva. Of the wise, I am the wisdom. So whatever wise man you see, sees the wisdom represents Krishna. Of the secret things, I am the silence. Okay. Of those who seek victory, I am the morality. Among all means of surpassing lawlessness, I am punishment. There is no being moving or non-moving that can exist without me. This is what Krishna is saying, declaring clearly, okay, that everything, whether living, whether moving, whether non-moving, that they cannot exist without me. Okay, that is the thing. They cannot exist without Krishna because Krishna is the maintainer. That means Krishna is the maintainer. I am the generating seed of all the existence. That means Krishna is the originator. He is saying, I am the generating seed of all the existence. That means Krishna is the origin. And here Krishna is saying, I am no being is moving and non-moving that can exist without me. That means Krishna is maintainer. Krishna is directly saying that I am maintainer, I am the origin. Okay. Now 10.41. Yad yad vibhuti mat sattvam srimad urjitam eva va tad tad eva vagachatvam mama tejo amsa sambhavam. Tejo amsa. Okay. Tejo amsa. So all those things which were discussed, Tejo amsa. Only amsa is the part. Okay. So let's see what Krishna is saying. Know that all the opulent, beautiful and glorious creation, all the things which are saying opulent thing, beautiful thing, glorious thing, whatever things you are seeing in nature, spring from but a spark of my splendor. Only a Tejo amsa of my splendor. Only Tejo amsa, little part of my splendor. Whatever great thing you are seeing in this universe, the material universe, that opulent, beautiful or glorious creation you are seeing, those are just splendor of my, a spark of my splendor. That is Tejo amsa. Okay. But what is the need there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? Now Krishna, after this saying all those things, Krishna is saying to Arjuna, but what is the need there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? What is the need of this all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe. Single fragment, little fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe. He pervade the entire universe. Okay. This is a chapter summary. Chapter is finished. Opulences we have discussed. Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita we have discussed. This Krishna is the source of all the Deva, Maharshi Gana we have discussed. So this chapter is finished. So what is the summary? Krishna is unknowable and source of everything. That is 1 to 7. Then pure bhakti, essence of Bhagavad Gita, Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita we have discussed. Then Arjuna accepts Krishna's supremacy, and he is saying that shloka where I am also accepting, great Rishi Munis are also accepting. Now you have already declared. Then now Lord Krishna describes his vibhuti. Okay. So knowing his vibhutis increases our devotion by hearing more about Krishna's opulences and see him everywhere. By using the devotee, we can see Krishna everywhere. Okay. So that is the summary from my side. Just unmuting everyone so that you can chant with me. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Yes. Very less people today. Maybe Janmashtami, they are busy in Janmashtami. After that, they haven't come back. No problem. So, if you have any question, you can ask in the chat box. If you have any comment, you can put in the chat box. Anything you want to share. Yes. Chat box is clean today, very clean. What is the significance of Ekadashi? Yes, one question has come. What is the significance of Ekadashi? Whether we should keep Ekadashi Vrata, fasting we should keep or not. What is the significance of Ekadashi? Okay. So we have little bit time. So I want to take your opinions. Anyone want to tell about Ekadashi? What is the significance of Ekadashi? Then I'll discuss. What is the significance of Ekadashi? Anyone can raise hand so that I can unmute. Anyone can put in the chat box so that we can all read. Okay. 2 minutes I'll give. If any person wants to tell anything about Ekadashi. Meaning of the vibhuti, opulences. Vibhuti means what we can say, exact word for vibhuti will be, what are the means you can say, the great things, we can say vibhuti, the opulence, the great things in a person. Like, okay. How to get justice when events are overpowering and injustice is dominating.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Can't hear you. Prabhuji. Respected devotees, please wait. Prabhuji has lost connection. He'll be back soon. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji. Just I got one call from emergency. So, okay. One question we had that what is the Ekadashi, about Ekadashi. Okay. So, yes. So one question we had about the Ekadashi. So no one is willing to say about Ekadashi. So let me tell what is the about Ekadashi. Okay. So the thing is, the Ekadashi is a very auspicious day, and Krishna loves this day. Okay. So Krishna loves Ekadashi, and Krishna, these Ekadashi days are very dear to Krishna. Okay. So what we can do is we can increase our devotion to Krishna during these Ekadashi days. Okay. So like if you are doing 2 rounds of chanting or 1 round of chanting, while Ekadashi, you can increase it to 2 round or double the round. Like if you are doing 2 rounds, you can do to 4 rounds. If you are 4 rounds, then you can do the 8 round. If 8 round, then you can do for 16 round. This way you can do, because Ekadashi you can increase your devotional service. Okay, you can fast for Krishna. Why fasting is important? Many people have this concept that why the fasting is important. What is the need of fasting? The first thing is fasting is austerity. Okay, austerity means something. Austerity we are doing some austerity so that we can remember Krishna. Okay, so when we are fasting, we can remember Krishna better. Like when we are fasting, will will be remembering Krishna, we can say that. Okay, like that one thing is there, that fasting we can increase the our devotion to Krishna. First thing is this. Okay, and other things are that when we don't cook food in our house, we are fasting, then we can give more time for the japa, we can give more time for chanting, we can give more time for reading the books, for the reading the literatures. Okay, so likewise we can do. So these are the some spiritual benefits. The physical benefits are also there. Okay, so it is said that when we fast, our metabolism increases. Okay, so our body also need rest. Our GI system, our gastrointestinal system, okay, the stomach, the intestine, all things need rest also. Okay, so the Ekadasi days, what happens, this the body, our body get time to regenerate. Okay, regenerate, like that we can say. Okay, because there is one concept. After, you can see, when we sleep in the night, when we woke up in the morning, okay, we automatically feel refreshed. Okay, why the refresh is happening? Because we are giving the body time to rest. Okay, so our GI system also need rest for one day. Okay, so that is the, now it is a proven, now it is also proven, many researches are going, many researches has been done, many researches are going on, what is the effect metabolism also. And fasting is a great way to to longing your life also. Okay, so fasting increases the length of your life also. So that is some physical benefit. Obviously spiritual benefits are there. The devotees are more interested in the spiritual benefits. The whole day they will be chanting the Krishna Maha Mantra more. Okay, they will be reading more, they will be associating the devotees more. Okay, so in our temple there will be there will be the chanting of the all the slokas. Okay, so 700, all the 700 sloka will chanting will be there. So like kids will be chanting the all the sloka 700, then youth will be chanting, then the adults also will be chanting. So you can associate, you can read the sloka with them, you can hear them. Okay, and you can motivate yourself in the devotion. So these things are, few things are there, which is the importance of Ekadashi, you can say. Is the Ekadashi tomorrow 23rd? Okay, Ekadashi 23rd.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Shall I read the question?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. How to get justice when events are overpowering and injustice is dominating justice?
The thing is, like, everything has certain time. Okay, like Ravana was there, he was also flourishing. Hiranyakashipu was there, he was also flourishing. So time, So even the bad also flourishes sometimes. It is not like that they won't flourish. Okay. Even the Ravana was so powerful, he has become so powerful. Even Hiranyakashipu, he has become so powerful. Everyone, even the Devata, were very much afraid. They were going to Lord Vishnu for the help. Okay. So these things are there. Even the injustice will be there. But the thing is, we need to first form faith should be our faith should be firm in the scriptures. Okay, our faith should be firm. First thing is, we are not if you are like if you think that your role is like kshatriya, you can fight. Okay, so if your role is like kshatriya, you can fight, then you can fight. But first thing is, you should have knowledge, or you should be under the person who has the knowledge. Okay, then only you can do anything for the fighting or all. But first thing is, we should do is accumulate the knowledge. Okay, and have firm faith. First, we don't have firm faith and we are fighting. What is the meaning? Nothing. Okay, so you should have firm faith, or otherwise you should be under some person who has the firm faith, who has the firm knowledge, who has seen the truth. Okay, then only you are fighting, then it is okay. Otherwise you won't know only what is wrong, what is right. Okay, so that is the thing. So the thing is, you should have your faith should be firm. Okay, either you should choose a Brahmana life or you should choose a Kshatriya life, depends on you. But your faith should be firm. Whether Brahmana, whether Kshatriya, your faith should be firm. Okay. Otherwise,
Next question.
there is a means there is no meaning only. For whom you are fighting, what you are fighting, you are not knowing. Okay. First, develop your consciousness. Then only you will be able to fight or whatever things you like to do. First thing is, you should imbibe the teachings of Bhagavad Gita in your life. Then only you can do any other thing. Okay, like that. First thing is that.
Next question, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, want to know one thing, what we did in our previous life, and for that, what we are facing in this life, how to know. Also, what will happen to us in our next life? How does it matter, as what we all know is about this life, and whatever we are facing hard, truth in this life only.
So the thing is, Krishna already tell about karma, that whatever karma we have done, we'll face that. Okay, there is nothing like how to know about. Okay, by using the astrology, you can know, because astrology you can predict something that what will happen in your life, but you cannot change. Astrology can know the facts, what will happen to your life. Some about something you can know. Okay, but you cannot change the facts what is going to happen. You cannot change that. Okay, but because whatever things is happening because of your karma only. So you will face the karma, whether you use astrology, whether you use this, that, whatever you use, you will face the karma. Okay, that is certain. Whether today you will face, maybe you are using some astrological some means, and then it can delay the karma. But the thing is, you have to face the karma what you have done. Okay, there is no escape from that. Whatever you have done, you will face the karma. So whatever things you have done, you will face like that. So it is nothing like that. We have to know what we have done in the previous life and what is happening to us. Okay, the thing is, everything in nature is perfect. Nature is not a sudden thing. Nature is not that today anything is happening. It is not like that, huh? Any sudden by chance anything is happening, it is not like that. It is a perfect. You see, everything is perfect. Everything what is working outside, everything is perfect. About nature, everything is perfect. It is not by random something, chance by something is happening. A great mind is behind that. Okay, and that is and everything is controlled by that. So the karma is also controlled by that. So whatever things is happen, whatever thing is happening to you is due to your karma. Okay, if you are accepting this in a well and good, and you are trying to change your karma, it is well and good. The thing is, what happened to us, what will happen to what will happen to us, all things are what is the use of all the knowing all those things. Okay, you cannot change that also. Okay, the thing is, whatever you are doing, you are making your future life. Okay, so what you should do now, you should change the future. The thing is, you can change the future. You have the power within you now. You can change the future, and Krishna already tells that by using this transcendental
Devotees, Prabhuji has lost the connection again. He will join soon. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, my connection went, I think.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, so what I was talking?
You were answering that question, Prabhuji, about that question. 1 second.
About
Just
karma,
now
no?
only you lost
About
connection.
karma. Yes.
Just now only you lost.
So I have finished that answer, or in the middle I was?
No,
So I was
didn't finish. In the last part, you
okay, so
lost
I was
connection.
telling that. So I was telling that by using the astrology, you can know the future, but you cannot change the future. Maybe you can delay the future, but you cannot change the future, because the future depends on whatever you have done. So it depends on your karma. Whatever you have done, you will have to face. That's the thing. Okay. But Krishna can change the future, because Krishna is the Krishna. You can say.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Oh, the network seems to be working today. Wait, wait. So if another time it happens, then I'll change the connection. So I was telling like this, okay, that whatever things we have done,
Prabhuji, we can't hear you.
yes, Mataji, is my voice audible?
Yes, now it is audible. Video
Okay.
is stuck, Prabhuji. Like,
Video stuck?
there is some disturbance in the video. Now okay.
So I was just giving one answer to the question.
About that future and
Yeah.
astrology.
So the thing is, the concept is, by using the astrology, you can know the future, but you cannot change the future, because future depends on your karma, and you cannot change the karma what you have done. Okay. The thing is, the ultimate thing is, you have to do the devotion so that Krishna can destroy this, and the devotion should be pure devotion. It is not like that we are using Krishna for destroying the our whatever sins are there. That is the more greater sin. Okay. So that is the thing. So whatever things is happening, everything in nature is perfect. It is not by random. It is not like it is working by chance. Everything is about nature is perfect. A great mind is there behind the nature. Okay, and every demigod is working very perfectly. Okay, it is not like that anything is happening by chance. Whatever thing is happening to us is like by chance. In this way, nature cannot work. Everything is predefined. Everything is working like that. If you see in the mobile, if you play a game, we think that whatever is happening, it is random. It is not random. It depending on whatever action we are giving, whatever response we are giving, and the mobile is responding according to that. Okay. So a person who does not know that mobile is a programmed thing, they will think that everything is happening by random. Okay. It is not like that. Everything is perfect. A perfect creation can only work if it is perfectly managed. Okay. And this nature is perfectly managed by Krishna, and everything here had some meaning. Okay, so whatever thing is happening, it is not random. Whatever things you have done in the past, that is coming back to you. Okay.
Next question, Prabhuji. Is Shani Dev more powerful than Shri Krishna?
Why Shani Dev can be more powerful than Krishna? If Shani Dev can be more powerful, Shani Dev is a Dev, demigod. How can he more powerful than Krishna? Many people, once I remember one incident, one of the devotee of Srila Prabhupada was wearing something, some madhuli or something. He was wearing something. He was wearing. So Prabhupada asked that why you are wearing this. The disciple said, because I am suffering from the Sani Graha. Sani Graha is there. Okay, so Prabhupada replied to that devotee. Okay. Even thousands of the Sani Dev do obeisances in front of Krishna. So what is the Sani in front of Krishna? So this is what Prabhupada replied to that devotee. And the devotee, immediately he threw the same thing. Okay. So that was the reply from the Srila Prabhupada.
Yeah. Next question, Prabhuji. It is said that when a living being passes away on Ekadashi, he will reach God. Is it correct?
He will reach God. There are many things are there written in Shastra, but there is nothing like he will reach God. Auspicious things, auspicious time. He will tell that if a person passes on this, if a person passes on that, he has that consciousness. That thing is there. But I don't think that they will reach Krishna unless and until they love Krishna. Okay. There are many things are even Krishna kills Kansa, and Kansa got liberated. If a person is killed by Krishna, that person gets liberated. Devotees are also liberated. What is the difference between the devotee and Kamsa? What is the devotee? What is the difference between devotee and Kansa? If Kansa gets killed, Kansa get liberated. Devotees are also liberated. The difference is the love. Okay, the devotee has love to Krishna. They will reach Krishna Loka. They will be enjoying with Krishna. But Kamsa or the any liberated person who are not loving Krishna, they won't enjoy the loving relationship with Krishna. They will be like liberated, but no bliss is there. Okay, so the same, the same concept. Okay, what was the original question? I was answering for answer for this.
Which one, Prabhuji?
No, this which I was answering.
It is said that when a living being passes away on Ekadashi, he will reach God. Is it correct?
Maybe he can be liberated, maybe, but love of God cannot happen unless and until you love God. Okay, unless and until you know about Krishna, it cannot happen. Maybe they can auspicious moment. They are many things can be there, but I do not know certainly about these things. But it is written somewhere that if the person is passes around that time, around this time, they can be liberated like that. It can be there, but they can be liberated, but they cannot attain Krishna. Okay, if liberation is there without devotion, they fall down can happen. Okay, so that is the thing. Because there liberation and without love, what will happen? If we are liberated, but we are not loving to Krishna, we won't be going to Krishna Loka. We will be around the Brahma Jyoti only, and fall down is very prominent from there. Okay, we can fall down anytime from there. So that is the thing. Without love of Krishna, fall down can happen anytime. Yes, Mataji, any other question?
No, Prabhuji, no more question.
Okay. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. There is chapter 10. Tomorrow, Krishna will be showing the universal form. Okay. So let's read what is the universal form, the unmanifested form, which many persons used to worship. Unmanifested form, the energy form. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay,
Just
Prabhuji.
unmuting everyone.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.